Welcome back exotic cars enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Tata Safari Facelift, to a blend of robust performance, advanced technology, and luxurious comfort. Design and exterior. The 2025 Tata Safari maintains its commanding presence with a length of 4,668 mm, width of 1,922 mm, and height of 1,795 mm. The wheelbase stretches to 2,741 mm, ensuring ample interior space. The front fascia features a bold grille flanked by sleek LED headlamps, while the rear showcases sharp LED tail lamps. The Safari rides on 17-inch wheels in the base model, with higher variants boasting 19-inch alloys, enhancing its road presence. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Safari offers a choice between 6 and 7-seat configurations, catering to diverse family needs. The cabin exudes luxury with premium materials and meticulous craftsmanship. The driver and co-driver enjoy ventilated seats, ensuring comfort in various climates. The second-row passengers aren't left out, with ventilated seats available in higher trims. A panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, enhancing the sense of space. Technology and features. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, offering seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A fully digital 10.25-inch instrument cluster provides the driver with essential information at a glance. The Safari also features a 10-speaker JBL sound system, delivering an immersive audio experience. Convenience is elevated with a gesture-controlled power tailgate and a 360-degree camera system, simplifying parking and tight maneuvers. Performance and handling. Under the hood, the Safari houses a 2.0-liter turbocharged diesel engine, producing 170 PS of power at 3,750 revolutions per minute and 350 Newton-meters of torque at 2,500 revolutions per minute. Transmission options include a 6-speed manual and a 6-speed automatic, catering to different driving preferences. The Safari's ground clearance stands at 200 mm, allowing it to tackle various terrains with confidence. The suspension system is tuned for comfort, ensuring a smooth ride even on uneven surfaces. Safety features is paramount in the 2025 Safari, which has earned a 5-star global NCAP rating. It comes equipped with 7 airbags, including driver knee airbag, side airbags, and curtain airbags. Advanced Electronic Stability Program, ESP, with 17 features ensures vehicle stability under various driving conditions. The Safari also offers Level 2 advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and autonomous emergency braking, enhancing driver confidence and passenger safety. Variants and pricing. The 2025 Safari is available in multiple variants to suit different preferences and budgets. Smart, starting at a superscript 115.50 lakh. This base variant offers essential features without compromising on safety. Pure, priced at a superscript 117.35 lakh. It adds features like a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system and reverse parking camera. Adventure, at a superscript 120.00 lakh. This variant includes additional comfort features and aesthetic enhancements accomplished. Plus, starting at a superscript 125.00 lakh, it offers premium features such as a panoramic sunroof, ventilated seats, and advanced safety systems. Stealth Edition, the top-tier variant at a superscript 127.15 lakh. It features exclusive design elements and the most comprehensive feature set. These prices are ex-showroom and may vary based on location and additional options selected. Conclusion. The 2025 Tata Safari Facelift seamlessly blends style, comfort, performance, and safety. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off-the-beaten paths, the Safari is designed to meet the demands of modern drivers and their families. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and test drives. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest in the automotive world.